Goa Rang. Look at these carvings on the wall. There's just some detail and a half. Just gonna spend some time on it. And you've got any parks that have people like that at clean waterfalls in Australia. It's amazing. I'm not really prepared with a dry bag for this one. I don't know how deep that water is, that sucks. That's a pretty cool freaking cave. Pretty crazy. Goa Rang. The next one.
Rang Reng.
Number 5. Okay, we go down. We got our little ticket. Can't even speak. They like to give official things here. I guess they're going to make you feel like you got something for your money. Now this is up the road from Kentalumpa. We just did. Check their video out as well. This one I think will be slightly less popular. So we'll see. They're all very short walks. I haven't walked more than 3 minutes on any of these hikes. Ridiculous. I don't think you really can do off track much here unless you go full jungle. Right only. That's crazy. What's down the steps? There is no step. Death. Look at these carvings on the wall. There's just some detail and a half. Just gonna spend some time on it. That's wild. It's got a really soft sandstone. Look at the detail, that's crazy. Wow. Oh, small on the right. I don't know what this track is, but maybe I should have went down, but I decided to have a look where this track goes. I don't know if it's a secret track or what. This is going to some village or something. I don't think we're going to see anything here. I can hear it. I can hear it. I think there's a shortcut to go somewhere. Alright, down we go. And you've got any parks that have people like that at clean waterfalls in Australia. It's amazing. Walk up around a second and look at it. The camera will make it out. There's a little rock in the middle of the water there. All these rock cans, we've swam there and stacked them up. Crazy little gorge down there. Alright, let's see if we can find this bigger waterfall. For 15 minutes to get to the 3 waterfalls. I'm not really prepared with a dry bag for this one. I don't know how deep that water is, that sucks. That's a pretty cool freaking cave. Wow. Incredible. Pretty crazy. Woo. Save this for another day. Same with the Kentalumpa standing on top of the main bit of the falls, but it is what it is, people, and onwards and new stuff. So hope you enjoyed this so far, and keep watching the adventures. Like, comment, subscribe. Catch the next one, eh? Peace out. Let's follow this other little trail track down to the creek. It just ends. You just take the look of God. It's a good tour. I don't think there's no Air Terjun here. Thought you had to swim across to get up to the stairs to get the other side of this temple thing. No entry, pay only. That's what it is, a prey track. Looks a bit squashed, but oh, it's still moving barely. Rustwood's metal, it's been there for ages. Bruce needs like flare up on me before. Hello. Yeah, jump back in the whip. Let's do it.